Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your Cash App card, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add money into your Cash App card? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add money into your Cash App card anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you're going to make a business purchase with your Cash App card because you don't want to give access to your bank to your vendor. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Cash App. It's this green and white one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave more information there, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my Cash App now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Cash App. This is the home screen. Now, one thing I want to let you know right out the bat is that if you want to add money into your Cash App Cash Card, all you're going to need to do is add money into your Cash App account because you don't have two separate accounts. It's not set up as Cash App and separate Cash App debit card. They both pull from your Cash App balance. So for example, if you look down here on the bottom left, you can see I have $96 in my Cash App. So I can use that $96 by sending $96 to one of my contractors and paying them through Cash App. Alternatively, I can go ahead and use my Cash App card at the store. So let's say I want to make a purchase at Target for one of my business expenses. I can use my Cash App card and it's going to pull from $96 that I have here. It's not two separate accounts. And because of that, if you want to add money into your Cash App card, all you're going to need to do is make a deposit into your Cash App. Once it's available in your Cash App, then it's available to spend on your Cash App card. And how you do that is you just click on your balance down here on the bottom left. Like I said, mine says $96. Yours will say something else. Once you do that, you're going to see more information about your Cash App account. And in order to add money into your Cash App card, you need to click on this button here called Add Cash. Next, you're going to need to choose how much money you want to add into your Cash App card. You can use these quick buttons, or you can click on these three dots and then choose exactly how much you want to add into your Cash App card. So for the purpose of this video, I'll just choose $1, and then you click on this green add button here at the bottom. Okay, just a quick second later, this pops up. So I'm actually recording this on a Wednesday, and it's letting me know that the money that I added into my Cash App would be available 2 days from now. That's because I use an external bank as a bank transfer. However, if you have your debit card set up into Cash App, that money is usually available immediately to use in your Cash App card. And how you can check to see what your funding source is, you want to go ahead and close this out. Once you do that, you want to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you click there, you want to scroll down until you see this line here called Link Banks. It has a little chain link next to it. Okay, so here you can see the different funding sources. So I have my debit card set up, but I also have my bank account set up as well. So when I was adding money into my Cash App through this video, it actually pulled from my bank account as an ACH transfer. Therefore, it's going to take about 2 to 3 business days. If you choose your debit card as the funding source, it's usually available immediately. So to recap, just so you know, if you want to add money into your Cash App card, all you're going to need to do is add money into your Cash App account. Once it's available in your Cash App account, then it automatically becomes available in your Cash App card since they draw from the same balance inside your Cash App. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.